Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable swipe to call or text on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to phone application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in phone, go to 3 dot on the right side on your screen. Okay, tap this. And the pop-up will show. Okay, go to settings. Here in settings, below, you can see the other call settings. You'll have to do is tap this. In other call settings, you can see the swipe to call or text. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable this swipe to call or text, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disable swipe to call or text on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.